Hello everybody and welcome to A Joyful Artist. My name is Tressa, and in this video we're going to show you how to prevent foam core board from warping. Foam core board is used for dioramas and trifold displays. And when you paint one side of the board, it will tend to warp. And in the next section we are going to show you how to prevent foam core board from warping. This is what happens when
you only paint one side of foam core.
You only paint one side of foam core. This is, she painted one side and then, it curls. And so what are you going to do?
Paint the other side?
You're going to paint the other side and it'll lay flat. Very interesting. We'll come back and we'll see the flat area. You see how many inches that is above the table, 3 fingers above the table. So we'll come back and look at what it looks like when she's done painting the other side. So you paint the other side and then you let it dry and it should flatten out.
Yep.
So everybody, after about 3 hours, this is what it looks like. Go ahead and take the weights out. She put some weights on it.
I put the weights on dry spots.
Right. And once it dried, there it is. It's completely flat. You have anything to say about it? Well, guys, I hope that helps. And you enjoyed my video. Please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe and hit the like button.